Well, you may notice things are getting pretty festive here in the CoastLife studio, and a big part of the holiday season is the ability to give back to the community. We've got two very special guests joining us. We've got Tina Sykowski and Sandy Daniels joining us with Coastal Gardeners. So if you guys would, tell us a little bit about Coastal Gardeners, this program, and what you guys do, and then we'll get into the festive events that you have coming up.
Whoa, that was a lot. So Coastal Gardeners was founded back in 2017 by a group of folks who were working at the Delaware Botanic Gardens.
Yep.
And someone said to them, you know, you girls should get together and form a garden club. And so they did.
Love it.
That's how Coastal Gardeners was born. And to be honest, in Delaware, we're actually the new kid on the block.
Sure.
All of the other garden clubs are a lot older than we are. So right now we have about 34 members. Nice. We're one of the few garden clubs that meet at night, which opens our membership up to people who are working. And we welcome new people like Tina. That's how she became a part of us. We, at Coastal Gardeners, we do a lot of community projects. We have a wonderful project called Healthy Foods for Healthy Kids at Philip Scholl School, where we have installed 4 8x4 beds and plant fall crops and spring crops with the kids in the school. We do pots at BB South Coastal in front of the ER and the Cancer Center, and change them out seasonally. So all kinds of community projects that we do. And we got involved with Operation Christmas Cheer way back when, about 8 years ago, when the Cheer Center in Georgetown asked us to contribute some gift bags or baskets, but we wanted to do more. And so that beginning of 8 has morphed into us doing 120 gift bags for seniors in Roxana. Nice. So we never knew that the seniors in Roxana even existed, but there is this beautiful community of seniors in need. And what better way and what better time of year than to be able to do something to them, to show them that we hear you, we know you're there, we want to help. And so this is our way of helping.
Yes, so let's look into what's going on for Operation Christmas Cheer this year. I mean, you guys have quite the spread. We've got blankets, we've got activities, like hygiene kits.
We're thinking about what seniors would like to have, kind of like, we're thinking like a warm hug, you know, giving them a warm hug at the holidays. So we have nice cozy socks and a scarf and gloves, and those were donated by Lily. Perfect. She's so generous with that. Other merchants are donating as well. Even a dentist donated 140 dental kits. Amazing. Which is amazing. Of course, for the gardeners, we had to put something gardening in there, so we have sunflower seeds.
Oh, great.
So, we're trying to cover all bases.
I don't want to forget the reason that we do this, and I have to share this because this was a letter that was sent to us through the Coastal Point, our local paper, and it goes, "Thank you and Happy New Year. Due to my long illness and my husband's sudden bout with CHF requiring his use of oxygen, we both became recipients of Meals on Wheels starting in December. I didn't decorate for Christmas other than a cheery tablecloth, so imagine our delight and surprise when your lovely Christmas gift bags arrived. How kind and thoughtful of you all. Each gift was so lovingly wrapped and well selected. The stockings reminded me of the ones I received as a child. Due to your kindness, both of us had a very Merry Christmas. Thanks so much."
Aww.
I mean, that says it all.
Makes you tear up.
Some seniors, I mean, this is the only gift that they will receive during Christmas.
Yeah, so it really is, I mean, hugely important work. I know that you guys also have a sip and shop coming up too that we don't want to forget about or leave out. Give us some of the details on that if people want to get involved.
Yes, this is going to be fun.
So this Saturday, very excited, 20 merchants this year have signed up, and that is an increase of about 7 merchants from last year. So the word is spreading among, you know, on Route 26 and in Bethany Beach that, you know, people are coming out and shopping, and people want to support, the community wants to support the merchants who are going to be giving back so we can have the resources to fill our gift bags. So, you know, these wonderful merchants are stepping up and giving back.
Yeah.
So I just encourage everyone, if you can, to come out Saturday, shop, look for these little signs. They'll be in the windows and the doors of people or the merchants who are participating. So
it gives people an opportunity to shop local for the holidays, support our local businesses, and truly, I mean, I took a look at that vendor list, find something really unique and find something really meaningful on your holiday shopping list. So for folks who want to get either more information about Operation Christmas Cheer, the Coastal Gardeners Club, if they have more questions, where can they go to get more information from you guys?
We have a wonderful website, right,
yes,
Tina?
Yep, coastalgardeners.org.
Perfect.
Just visit that and you can find out everything you wanted to know about Coastal Gardeners.
Wonderful. Works your brains, work your hands. Just something really great for the community. Well, Tina, Sandy, thank you guys for coming in today. Thank you guys for what you're doing for Operation Christmas Cheer and the community and what you guys do with the Coastal Gardeners Club.
Thank you so
Thanks
much
so
for
much for having us.
Of course. Come on back anytime.
Okay. Happy holidays to
Thank
you.
Yes. Speaking of holidays and taking care of the community, we know that the Food Bank of Delaware is also doing a lot of really important work this time of year. We've got one of their events coming up to tell you about when CoastLife gets back.